Jagath was the perfect candidate for the Employee of the Year in Technical Services, as he's beloved by everybody across the district. He's been with us for over 19 years. He has helped shape so much of our department specifically. Every tech that we hire has to shadow Jagath because he shows remarkable care in everything he does.
I actually have had the pleasure of working with Jagath twice. I hired him in Anaheim, when I was there years ago. So when I got here to Fullerton 7 years ago, he's like, "Hey, do you remember me?" I'm like, "Gosh, how many Jagaths are there in the world of elementary school technology?" And turns out I had hired him to be a part-time library tech there in Anaheim, and he's just great. I mean, he's asked for by name by a lot of our administrators and a lot of our staff. They're like, "Hey, could you send Jagath? He's special," and he does such a great job for us. Send him anywhere, he will take care of the problem. He'll ask other people, he'll help other people. Jagath is just a phenomenal technician, but just a great human being.
Back home, I have like a bachelor's degree in science. My major was mathematics, so I was really like to help the kids and everything. So from there, then I become a computer technician 1. Then after I get into computer technician 2, then I start working over here at the district office. I'm so excited that they appreciate my work, and I'm actually grateful to all the thanks and grateful to all the my co-workers and all the employees over here. It's like me achieving my like a goal, or like sometimes that I feel like my dream come true.